Everyone, Sunil from Exterior Clean Melbourne and Clean. As you can see here, we are cleaning Alucobond. It is absolutely filthy. On this particular job there was a fire next door, and there's been smoke damage on these panels, so they're going to really need a fair bit of work. We're using a boom lift to be able to access this. As you can see, I'll just show you the panels down below as well, so you can see them a little bit clearer. So you can see how dirty these panels are, and we'll be cleaning and all the panels down below as well. We'll be cleaning all of the tops, of course, the sides, the underneaths, and then down below as well. You can see here there's still some streaking on the paneling here. Now we'll just do a quick approach here, show people how that'll work. And then it's just really a matter of working the chemical into the Alucobond. This chemical does not in any way damage or take off the coating. You can't just use any old chemical on Alucobond. It's super sensitive. And as you can see here, already that's a significant improvement. So that's what we want. So these are the finished results. As you can see, they've come up absolutely beautiful, beautiful. There are still some minor streaks. I'm not sure if you can see those, but they are minor. We have applied a chemical and done the best that we can to do that. But considering where we started, this is amazing transformation. So. Okay everyone, these are the finished results. As you can see, it's come up really good, almost like brand new. There are some existing marks in the Alucobond, but we were not, that's not caused by us. But as you can see, from where we started, it's come absolute leaps and bounds. So it's come up really beautifully. As you can see here as well, the face of the building, really nice, that kind of nice clean matte black. Alucobond is a really, it's a difficult product to clean. It's super sensitive because it's matte black. It shows all manner of scuff marks or dirt. Also the silicon seams are often a real problem with Alucobond because they get filthy dirty. Alucobond has to be done by hand, and in this case lift, because of access, so we can't put ladders against these panels. So looks like a really good product when it's maintained. If you've got some Alucobond or anything exterior cleaning wise, if you have anything that you would like to have cleaned, give us a call. We'd be happy to offer you a quote. And certainly we've got the skills and the know-how and the ability to get a job done. Thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoyed the video.